Hello dear children, good morning to all of you. How are you all? Children, I hope you all are good at home and not troubling anyone. We have learned numbers, right children? You all know numbers. Let us revise some numbers again. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. After 4? 5. Children, we have learned till now number 4. Today we are going to learn about number 5. You know, in one hand we have 5 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In one hand we have 5 fingers. And let us see what is 5. This is number 5. To write number 5, we have to do sleeping line, then standing line and curve. This is number 5. Let us see how can you count number 5. See children, teacher has some small bottles. Let us count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 bottles. You got it children? Now let us see how many threads teacher have. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Teacher have 5 threads. Teacher has now bananas also. Let us count the banana. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bananas. Teacher has mobile phones. My God, so many mobile phones. Bap re bap. Let us count this mobile phones also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 phones. Now children, look at this what teacher has. So many flowers. I can give you flowers. Tell me how many flowers do you want? As we are learning number 5, let me give you 5 flowers. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Teacher gave 5 flowers. Now other flowers teacher will give you afterwards. Let us count these flowers again. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 flowers. So children, did you understand the concept of 5? We have to count and give the things according to number 5. Let us count on our fingers again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I hope you understood and I will be waiting for your videos practicing of number 5. Bye children. Have a good day.